Hi, welcome back to the scrapyard. I'm Red. Uh, as you can see, I've kind of got a mess here. I'm reconfiguring my workbench. I got crap scattered all over the place. But anyway, so the styrene relics earlier, and he posted a thing about Forgotten Friday. And that got me to thinking, and run across this, and I figure I'm gonna get this down and mess with it. This will be my Forgotten Friday build for the next couple of Fridays. Man, that's rough. That's what made me restart on this anyway, was the fact that there's a crap ton of body work on there, and I got to strip it. All these AMT 33 Willys kits, they don't fit very well, but this one works all right. You can tell I added a extra lip around the top of the cowl. Actually, this one was looking pretty good. I was almost done with it and had the paint disaster. But yeah, I figured I'd pull this out. I got dog catcher decals for it, but it needs the fabric insert on the top. And all the parts are here. Look at here, I got a brand new build tray I just made. Fun with wooden rulers, man, I tell you. There's like 60 of them for like just a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna move this to a build tray, and this is gonna be my Forgotten Fridays build for next few Fridays. Cause I've been thinking about this a little bit. I don't know what all I got in here. I always liked the engine that comes in these Willys kits. You know, it's got the great big Ford sock engine in it. Decent seats. Leftover parts from the Willys coupe. Yeah, I cut the back out of the interior tub because, you know, it gives you the coupe interior tub with it. But yeah, I got this all, got it to a point, man, and then, you know, but yeah, I'll try to make this Forgotten Friday build, right? Other than that, I really don't have anything to talk about. It's Friday, and y'all enjoy your weekend. Like, subscribe, give me a shout out. I got shop cards, man. I got shop cards available. Just my yeah, email address in the description. If I owe you a shop card, man, holler at me, man, because I'm bad to forget things, man. I do good to remember my name half the time. I mean, it's, you know, makes things kind of interesting. You got to live in the moment. All right. Well, y'all have a good weekend, and happy late Thanksgiving to you. And anyway, that's all. Goodbye.